Hello my dear viewer, welcome back to see me in this video. Today in our video we are going to talk about NFTs, all about NFT, where is NFT, where is OpenSea and everything related to that. Like everyone today onward, people gonna talk too much about NFTs, where is NFTs and everything related to. So please, if it is your first time to watch my video, just like, subscribe to our channel for further videos, and welcome to see me today. Let's go. So nowadays we see like many people are working online, doing freelancers, or earning a lot of money just by maybe working some stuff like something like trading, purchasing or selling the pictures, anything related to the pictures or something like that in the platforms of some digital assets or anything like marketplaces. Especially we hear like NFTs, how people work with that, how people like take normal picture and maybe they take the picture of themselves and they earn a lot of money with that. So this in which we are going to discover today. We will see how it's working, where is the website, and especially as I already mentioned in my introduction, first of all I'm gonna mention that there are so many and huge amount of marketplaces or websites platform that you can use to sell or to list your items or your pictures there and earn some extra cash. But actually many people nowadays we are going to see about NFTs and everything related to the Ethereum, some digital currencies like that we had like before. For example, let's talk about the crypto that nobody was known it before, but actually it is raising until it reached something which nobody could like realize or known before. But actually the Ethereum also is also something. And also speaking about the Ethereum and any other currency, digital one or non-digital one, like crypto, Bitcoin, any other currency, like there are so many websites to show you how to earn it, maybe doing some working there, freelancing, or anything else. Okay, so it's another topic. Let's talk about our video topic, especially about OpenSea. So nowadays we see that OpenSea NFT, where is it? So OpenSea basically is an online marketplace that allows users to purchase, sell, and trade non-fungible tokens via its website. Okay, so basically OpenSea makes money from service fees. So as I already mentioned before, there are multiple ways to earn returns on OpenSea. The website is an open marketplace, so like the stock market, you can buy digital assets in hopes of appreciation. And another way to earn money is by creating digital assets yourself and being the original seller of the item. You can also earn some extra percentage depending on how much you rank it or how much you specify it under the options section by selling it and by being the original seller of that item. So let's scroll down to the website, the original one, which is OpenSea. Actually, before showing you or going to the official website of OpenSea, let's talk about something which is very important. OpenSea is a game-changing decentralized marketplace. Not everyone is going to be having a huge money like we can see on some people there. Maybe they are already famous with their items, maybe they are working with that for a long time, not only for freelancing, not only for extra cash, but this is their own work and this is their professional maybe matter. So not everybody, as I already mentioned, gonna do it. Only the people who are interested and talented especially to make items and unique items and special ones. Back again to see me in the tutorial of OpenSea website. Here we have the website, and this is the phone section review about the website. You can open from your laptop as well. You can open it from your phone. It is gonna be the same thing. Okay, all right. So this is the OpenSea.io. So this is the platform. Here we have the options of explore, stats, resources, night mode, connect wallet. We have also here some social medias. So let's go to the explore section. Here we have all NFTs, art, collectibles, domain names, music, photography, sports, trading cards, utility, virtual worlds. Okay, stats, ranking and activity, resources. We have help center, platform status, partners, guests, free marketplace, blog, docs, newsletter, night mode, okay, etc. Here we have the options: explore, create, here we have the top ranked or top collections over last 7 days. Let's see last 24 hours. As you can see, the amount of Ethereum proposed. Let's see this one. So, as you can see here, people are making a lot of money. So as you can see, here we have WATH, which stands for wrapped Ethereum. So it's a currency that allows users to make pre-authorized bids that can be fulfilled at a later date without any further action from the bidder. It's used to buy and sell with options on OpenSea. Ethereum and WATH are worth exactly the same amount and can be exchanged directly on your OpenSea profile. Okay. So this person is asking for this amount of money. Yes, so big. Here are the collection, the pins, search by Thomas, farmland, and many other things here. Here we have also music. basically that's all about today's video, and especially I have shown you in the website of OpenSea a lot of items, a lot of specialties, many options to do there, and actually many people are earning a lot of money with that. Ethereum is something which is going to grow up year by year, day by day, sorry, and many other stuff. Actually, I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you in my upcoming videos. Please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.